Hey everybody, I am back from vacation and I want to show you the last few pours. This one is so super cool. Love it. I've been seeing a lot of people doing those chameleon pours and I haven't really, I watched my first video on it today because I'm like, what the heck is this? But I just get it through swiping, but I am going to try it just because I was watching it and I'm like, huh. And then this is the last one. So I got the natural wood edges. And I'm so happy I put that blue in there. It really kind of fleshed it out, made it interesting. Ow, okay. So let me get this up here. Because I've told you guys before that I don't watch a whole lot of pouring videos just because I would if I had more time. If I could get paid for watching them and making them, that would be awesome. Okay. I just want it a little bigger. There we go. I think. So I'm going to be pouring with these little shooters. Malibu. When I was on my trip, I think I told you, maybe I didn't. We go to a place called Captain Ron's. Oh my God, I'm totally brain farting. And I get a drink called the Pain in the Ass, which is half rum runner, half pina colada, with an extra shooter of rum. So, this was only part of one design. Well, it wasn't just me. I went with like 7 adults, so it was not just me. But anywho, so I'm just going to do a flip and drag. Got a alizarin, magenta, yellow, and then a lavenderish. I'm gonna have to try to think. If that'll hold it. Okay. I really don't know how many ounces this is. I should measure. I'm guessing like 1.5, maybe. It's enough that if you have 3 of them, you will lose your new sunglasses in the lake. That much I can tell you. Not that I did that. Alright, now set that over there. Stay. And I'm hoping, I can't get this lid off. I was going to hope I could pour it out quicker. I'm going to have to squeeze it because I can't get the lid off. But we had a wonderful vacation. I am very thankful. I'm blessed, and I don't use that term lightly, for my family. We had a wonderful time. It was the kids, my brother, my parents, my daughter's boyfriend. It was a good time. And I didn't get sunburned. I wore my big old hat the entire time. And then there was the one day that my mom's like, you really need some color on your face. You should really not wear it today. I'm like, but Mom, I don't want age spots. So she's like, you really would look better with some color. I'm like, well, probably, but alright, I just realized I am ill prepared. I need to grab paper towels and my torch. I've been back a few days, but I got a commission on my mixed media work that I do. So that has been a blast. I love pouring, but the mixed media is such a different, I mean, you know, I worked on it like 3 hours the first day, and you know, still had a day's, I'm still not done. So very different from this form of art. I'm going to torch the air bubbles. I have a huge box of stuff I need to list on Etsy. And on Etsy, I always do free United States shipping. Free shipping. And you can still use the code ANN600, I think. It should be active still, because I never turned it off. So that'll get you, I now honestly can't remember, 20% maybe. I like the way, since it's so narrow, that it is pouring out color by color. We haven't even gotten to the yellow yet. Ooh, there it goes. And I'm going to set it upside down in there. Let it drain. Actually, I'm going to go over it. So, I've got to say, I've had a lot of similar comments lately, so I want to tackle those. That a lot of my work has been looking the same lately, and to that I've got to say yes, because I'm only one artist. So yes, it is all looking the same because it is all mine. And, you know, saying just like kind of this, that all my stuff is looking more muted and whatnot. And that's just kind of the look I've been feeling lately. So yeah, that it is different than it was. And I go through stages. And in the beginning, like when I only did flip and drags and then I started doing other stuff, I got comments then too. So yeah, I guess that's my answer, is why is everything, you know, kind of looking the same and looking like that. It's just art is kind of how you're feeling. And what kind of strikes your fancy at that point in time. Like, I mean, I can't think of a better way to say it than that. But I do acknowledge that yes, it has been looking a little bit different lately, but I'm still proud of my work. I wouldn't show it if I wasn't. And I do show my mistakes. And I do that on purpose because life is messy and full of mistakes, and it's important to see those. So I hope that has answered some of your questions. And then there was one nasty lady, but some of you said that she has been banned on a lot of other channels, so she must just be making the rounds and had just hit on me. I didn't ban her though. She must have just gone away quietly. I can't imagine being a bully, being known to be a bully. I mean, that's really kind of cheesy if you're an adult. But whatevs. I'm a big girl. Except when I lost my sunglasses in the lake. We looked all around the condo and the swimming pool and everything the next day. And then one of the kids is like, you know what? I bet it came off when you fell in the water. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Like, I didn't expect those to pop up. I like it. And I actually am stopping, because normally I would keep swirling it, but I like it. I really do want to keep going at it though. It's frustrating me that I'm walking away. I don't want to walk away. I don't want to walk away. But I'm going to. Also, I have, I don't sell for them. I get no money from them, but I love BarkBox products. And right now they have sales stuff. And if you use Summer 50, it's 50% off everything. Got my doggy a bunch of new toys. I don't know how long that's good for. This is Monday, so. So I like. That part's fun. I like the colors too. Those are the colors I went with. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.